Assalaamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to another Tajweed tips and tricks tutorial. In this lesson, we're going through page 45 of the Safar Abridged Qaidah. It's the two-word exercise, which is here. So the idea behind this now is pretty much we've gone through all the rules, alhamdulillah. We just have, these are the basic rules, by the way. We also have all we gotta do after doing the two-word exercise, you've got a three-word exercise, and then you've got full words, and you've also got stopping as well, stopping, and then fluency of full sentences. So we're pretty much more than halfway through now. I would say 3/4 of the way through. So if you've reached this stage, give yourself a pat on the back. Alhamdulillah, you deserve it. Go outside and get yourself an ice cream or something like that. I won't tell you where to go, but I'm sure some of you can guess. So alhamdulillah, we're going on to joining two words together now. So it's all about fluency. It's about the clarity. Remember, the lessons here are designed to improve your recognition, pronunciation, clarity, and fluency when we're reciting the Quran here. So if you're a beginner or learning from scratch, then the idea is that you're going through and learning the rules one rule at a time in a manageable kind of step-by-step process. If you've already been through Tajweed rules, or you're already reading Quran and you want to improve, alhamdulillah, you've come to the right place. The idea is that you will pick up tips and tricks from these lessons that will help to improve your everyday recitation of the Quran also, inshallah. So here, without further ado, I bring to you page 45, box number 1. Alhamdulillahi. Just zoom into them so it's a bit clearer. Here the lam in Allah's name, there's a special rule just for the lam in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is unique. The name is also unique. When you pronounce it and it's got a dhamma or a fatha before Allah's name, before that the lam with the shadda on top, that middle lam there, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is pronounced full mouth. When there is a letter with a kasra before that lam, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is pronounced empty mouth. So the example here is showing you one with empty mouth, because there's two lams there, alhamdu, and then you got the lam and then another lam. So the lam there, that first one, has a kasra and it's joining onto the lam with the shadda. So the lam with the shadda becomes empty mouth, not full mouth. So it's lillahi, lillahi. So you keep your mouth flat. As opposed to further on the page, there is an example with a full mouth Allah's name. Okay, so we'll see that when we get there, inshallah. But for now, this is Alhamdulillahi. Remember to pronounce the ha from the middle of the throat, from the correct makhraj. Box number 2. Huwal haqqa. Again, the second ha is from the middle of the throat. This is the one that people find tricky. Push it out, get that air out. Haqqa, haqqa. And then the qaf is from the back of the mouth. Qa, qa, haqqa. And give that qaf some emphasis because it's got a shadda on top. Box number 3. You got the ha again. Subhanahu wa ta'ala. So I think I did mention this before. There's a qalqala there. The ba has a sukoon and the ba is a qalqala letter, so you bounce it. Subhanahu wa ta'ala. Remember to read at the end the ayn clearly. Ala is from the middle of the throat. Okay. Box number 4. Here we start with the ayn, middle of the throat. Allamul ghuyubi. Ghuyubi, the ghain, top of the throat. Ghuyubi, ghuyubi. Get it clear, guttural sound. Allamul ghuyubi. And we're on to box number 5. So here we have Al-Malikul Quddusu. Again, the qaf needs to be clear, that qaf in the middle. Quddusu. Quddusu. Al-Malikul Quddusu. Box number 6. Wahuwa yut'imu. The ta there is a kalkala letter. It's got a sukoon on it, so you have to bounce it. Yutu, yutu, yutu. Little bounce. And remember, it's full mouth as well, so you've got to really give it some, get that air inside your mouth. Yutu, yutu. Wahuwa yut'imu. Imu. And the ain is from the middle of the throat. Imu. Give it some emphasis. Box 7. Yumsikus samawati. Yum. Yum yum. That's an easy sound to say. Yumsikus samawati. Box number 8. The kha there, remember, a guttural sound, nice and clear. Sakhara shamsa. Sakhara shamsa. Next one, box 9. Yahdi sabila. Yahdi sabila. 10. Fattakhidhu wakilan. Fattakhidhu wakilan. Get every sound from its makhraj with full clarity, inshallah. Yusalli alaykum. Yusalli alaykum. From box 12. فالملقيات ذكرا. فالملقيات ذكرا. Box 13. Oh, here we have the Allah's name with the dhamma before it. So remember what we said at the top, it's full mouth in Allah's name. So it's wattaqullaha. Wattaqullaha. Just like Subhanallah, Nallah is, the noon has a fatha, so it's Nallah, and then Allah's name becomes full mouth. Or even better example would be trying to think of one with a dhamma before it. Oh, we've got in front of us. Wattaqullaha. Sorry. Okay, box number 14. هذه تذكرة. هذه تذكرة. 15. أقم الصلاة. So the qaf is from the back of the mouth, it's a full mouth letter. Aqi, aqi, missa. Saw is full mouth, and it's got a shadda as well, so that emphasis. Aqim الصلاة. 16. وَاعْمَلُوا صَالِحًا. وَاعْمَلُوا صَالِحًا. So the ayn here needs to be clear. Wa, middle of the throat, and the ha as well at the end. Han, salihan. These are the sounds that I found people find quite tricky. Box number 17. Here we have one of the openers from the previous lesson, page 44. I'll put a little link to it, don't you worry. So the openers you've got there. Box 17. Noon wal qalami. Box number 18. Wal Qur'anil Hakimi. Wal Qur'anil Hakimi. Box number 19. Wasma'u wa ati'u. Wasma'u wa ati'u. So here the ayn from the middle, and then you got the ta with the kasra, quite a difficult sound. Ti, 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 it's full mouth, and then you got the at the end as well. Wasma'u wa ati'u. We're on to 20, box 20. Jama'nakum wal awwalina. So the ayn ma'. Jama'nakum wal awwalina. Get the emphasis on the waw. Box 21. Wa'mur bil ma'rufi. Wa'mur bil ma'rufi. So here you got example. of joining a hamza as opposed to joining the contrast with joining a ain. So the first sound you got is w, 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 and then further on you got bil ma, ma. So the ain is from the middle, the hamza is from the bottom. So wa mur bil ma'rufi. It's a bit of there's a big contrast between them sounds. Box 22. Here we have another example where before Allah's name we have a kasra. So lillah, lillah. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name will be pronounced empty mouth. فَلِلَّهِ الْعِزَّةُ فَلِلَّهِ الْعِزَّةُ. And then we're moving on to box 23. جَعَلَكُمْ أَزْوَاجًا جَعَلَكُمْ أَزْوَاجًا. That's better. And box 24. وَإِلَيْهِ الْمَصِيرُ. Saw this full mouth. وَإِلَيْهِ الْمَصِيرُ. We're on to 25. وَبُشْرَى لِلْمُسْلِمِينَ وَبُشْرَى لِلْمُسْلِمِينَ. 25, and now we're on to 26. حَقَّ الْقَوْلُ. Ha, middle of the throat. حَقَّ الْقَوْلُ. 27. كَيْفَ تَعْمَلُونَ كَيْفَ تَعْمَلُونَ. And then last one, box 28. فَسَوْفَ تَعْلَمُونَ. Okay, that's quite straightforward, inshallah. That's the end of the lesson. Hope you found it beneficial and hope you'll be back for more Tajweed tips and tricks. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you do have a comment, suggestion, advice, anything like that, please leave it in the comment section. Inshallah, I'll see you in the next lesson. Assalaamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.